Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, we are starting exercise 5.1. Question number 1, x square minus 4x minus 12. Okay, so first of all, you will check the quadratic equation in this form. X square minus 4x minus 12 should be equal to 0. Okay, then you will multiply first and the last one. So x square minus 12, you will write minus 12x square here, minus 12x square here. You will put in the right side. Okay. Okay. Now x square minus, when you multiply, so this should be minus 12x square. Okay, and when you add sum, so it should be the minus 4x. So x square minus 6x plus 2x is minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so now you see it. When you multiply minus 6x with plus 2x, so it will be the minus 12x. And when you plus or subtract, so minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x. Okay, so now there are 4 terms, these two and these. From first 2 terms, x is taken outside, x is common, so it will be the x minus 6, then plus, from these two, 2 is common, so 2 into x minus 2 6 are 12 is equal to 0. Now see it, x minus 6 and x minus 6. This is the mean. You can say that if here is x minus 6, so next term should be x minus 6. If you will write x plus 6, it will be wrong. Okay, so now you write it x minus 6 into remaining is x plus 2, x plus 2. So now these are 2 factors of this equation. Now we shall find the root of this. Means that either x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so this means that x is equal to 6 and x is equal to, then transpose it. Okay, so this plus 2 will be taken to the right side, so it is equal to minus 2. Okay, so now your solution set of this is solution set of this equation is 6 and minus 2, 6 and minus 2. Okay, now come to the next question. If the question is given in this form, okay, x square is equal to 8 minus. So first of all, you will make it into the proper quadratic equation. So you will write x square. So now take this to the right side, left side. So it will be the plus 7x, then minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, student, now it is in the proper standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay, so now first you will multiply with first with the last. Okay, so this is equal to minus 8x square. So you will write here minus 8x square. Okay, now you will factorize in this way, that x square plus 8x minus 1x, 8 minus 1x plus 7x multiply, so 8x minus 1x minus 8x square minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so now from first 2 terms, okay, x is common, So remaining is x plus 8. Okay, now here is minus, so minus x and 8. If there is nothing common, so you will have to write the 1. 1 is the factor root of all the numbers. Okay, so x. Now if outside is negative sign, so inside you will have to change the symbol. So here it is minus, so you will have to write plus 8. Okay, is equal to 0. Now see it, this is 8 plus x plus 8, 8 x plus 8. So this means we are correct. Okay, so x plus 8 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so you will write x plus 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this means that x is equal to 1, and okay, here x is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8. Okay, so your solution set is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 8. So you will write solution set is equal to, in this way, braces you will write minus 8 comma and 1. This is the method to write the solution of the equation. Okay, now next question. Question number 7, this is in the fraction x divided by 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so this means that you can write it in this way. This means that x over 4, this means x over 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 3. So easiest method is that this fraction 4. Okay, so multiply whole equation with the 4. So here we shall write multiplying by 4, multiplying with 4. Okay, so x over x over 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so now you will multiply with 4. Here you multiply with 4 and also here multiply with 4. Okay, so now so this 4 will be cancelled. Here it will be the x into x plus 1 is equal to 3 4 the 12. Okay, student, now multiply x with this, so it will be equal to x square plus x 1 the x is equal to 12. Now take it in this form, x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form. Okay, so now minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we shall factorize it here. So I shall write it here, x square plus x minus 12, this is x. Multiply first with the last one and write it in the side. Okay, so minus 12x square, write it here, minus 12x square. Okay, now we shall factorize it in this way, x square plus 4x minus 3x, okay, minus 12 is equal to 0. Now see it, when we add 4x minus 3x, answer is equal to 1x. And when we multiply 4x with minus 3x, so answer is equal to minus 12x square. Okay, so So x square from these two and from these two. From first two, x is x square plus 4x. Okay. So now see it. So x is taken outside, remaining is x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. Why I have written plus 4? Because outside is the negative sign, okay, is equal to 0. Now this means x plus 4, okay, this and this, x plus 4, and remaining thing is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so student, we can write it, this is 0. So x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this means x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to plus 3. So now your answer solution set is equal to minus 4 and 3. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 9. So this is again in the fraction form. So you will write it in this way. 2x is equal to, this is 2 over x plus 3. So now here is x is the denominator. So multiply whole equation with multiply by x, whole equation with the x. Okay. So we shall write it in this way. 2x is equal to 2 over x plus 3. Okay, now first here you write multiply with x, here also you write multiply with x, and here also with x. So it is equal to 4x square, 2x square, 2 into x into x, 2x square. Now this x will be cancelled, so you will write only 2 plus 3x square, 3x, not square. Okay, now simplify it. 2x square, transposition, minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Multiply first with the last one. Okay, answer is minus 4x square. Write it here, minus 4x square. Okay, so you will write it in this way: 2x square minus 4x plus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, student, when you multiply minus 4x with the 1x, so it will be the minus 4x square. But when you add it, so it will be equal to the minus 3x. So from these two, okay, and from these two terms, 2x is taken outside, 2x is common, so remaining is x minus 2, 2 to the 4, then plus 1. If there is nothing common, so you will have to write 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this means that x minus 2 and 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So now we shall solve it further here. X minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is taken to the right side. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Now from here take it to the right side. 2x is equal to minus 1, and you have to find the x. x is equal to minus 1 over 2. So your solution set is equal to 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now next question. Question number 12. Student, these are already solved. Two factors are given here. Simple, you will write it in this way. This means that from these two factors, okay, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so transposition, take it to the right side. 2x is equal to minus 1, and you have to find out the x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now here 5x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 over 5. So your solution set is minus 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Okay. Question number 13. 4x into this. So first of all, you will multiply. Okay. 4x with 3x. So 4 3s are 12. X square. Then minus 4 1s are 4x. Okay, students. Minus 2 is equal to, first you have multiplied 4x with 3x, 12x square minus 4x minus 2. Now multiply this factor with 5. So 2 5s are 10x square. Then 2x with this 1, so plus 2x. Then multiply this, minus 5 1s are 5x. Then minus 1 with plus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now we shall simplify it. This is 12x square. Now on right hand side, here is 10x square. So transposition, minus 10x square. Then here is minus 4x. On right hand side, here is 2x. So minus 2x. Now minus 2. And also here is the minus 5x. So you will write plus 5x. Okay. And minus 1. So it will be the plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 12x square minus 10x square. So it will be the 2x square. 2x square. Now 5x, and this is 6x. 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 plus 5 minus 1x. Okay. And then minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is the standard form. Multiply first with the last and write it here. 2 minus 2x square. Now factorize it. We shall write 2x square, then minus 2x plus 1x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now see it, minus 2x plus 1x, it is minus 1x. When we multiply minus 2x square, minus 2x with x, so answer is minus 2x square. Okay, so from first two term, 2x is common. So remaining is x minus 1. 2 1s are plus 1. If there is nothing common, so 1 is the root of all. Okay, so x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this means that x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write it either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this means that x is equal to 1 and 2x take it to the right side, is equal to minus 1, and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so your solution set is equal to 1 and minus 1 by 2. Okay.